Hello, I'm a very happy, quite satisfied Sun Design customer. My wife and I have worked with Sun Design for several years now. This has not been a small renovation project. Not only is it beautiful, I think, but it is extremely functional and good things come from it. So we're very grateful to the Sun Design team for really just doing an extraordinary job with beautiful design, a functional design, and really something that's extraordinary. We are a Martha Stewart recognized home. Surprisingly, we didn't apply for that, it just kind of happened. I think it's a great representation of if you spend the time and the effort to invest smartly in your renovation, then really great things can accrue. Not just general satisfaction and happiness, not just the aesthetic beauty, or the architectural interest of what you've done, but also in the value of your home, in the return on equity that you get for it, and the comfort in living in a place that you really feel like home, not just strictly a house. Our design work here, our renovation with Sun, was a quality of life initiative on our part. We wanted to invest the time and money to improve the quality of our lives as we spend time in our home. And in my mind, that is an investment worth making. Sun certainly is not going to be the cheapest option because they don't employ low-quality people. They don't use low-quality materials. They invest in the time and effort it takes to deliver something extraordinary. It is something lasting in my mind. It's not something that you're going to do and then think a year or two later, well, we should really rip that down and start over again. Spend the time to invest your efforts and your resources wisely, and you'll have something that's enduring, that's classic, that's eternal almost. We're very happy with what we have, and we look at it every day, use it, live in it every day. Grateful for the time and money that we spend.